Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Exness account to Metatrader 5. So first, you just have to open your Exness and make sure that you are fully verified here. So once you're verified, you have two options if you want to choose real or demo. So of course, we're going to choose the real one. Click continue. And then here you need to select your currency. So for example, USD, and then tap continue. Next, you have to simply click these three dots beside withdraw because your account is fully verified. And then here you have to click settings since you have two options, transfer or settings, but you have to click the second one, which is settings. Tap this and it will take you directly to your account. Now you can change your setting here such as your maximum leverage. And then after that, as you can see below, there is this trading platform Metatrader 5 and you see here login and server. Take note, we're going to copy both of these later. But first, exit your Exness application first and open your Metatrader 5. And then here what you're going to do is you have to log in your account details. And then after that, it will take you directly to this, your account. So let me tap get started first. So once you have logged in your details, then go to brokers, tap search, and then look for Exness. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to look for Exness Ltd because there are tons of Exness right here. So scroll down and look for Exness Technologies Ltd, which is this one. Okay, tap this. And then after that, as you can see, there is this login and password server. All you have to do is to copy the details from your Exness and paste it right here. As simple as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.